Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add payment options in Google Forms. So first up, open your Google form and basically here just select the form that you want to edit. For example, right here. So here we have virtual assistants, and if we're going to add some services, so we're going to type services and then I'm going to type per hour. Then here I just need to enter or input some option. First is the $6 for the email marketing. Now on the second option, I'll be putting here $5 for the graphic design, for example. And then on the third option, I'm going to put in $4 for the data entry. So as you can see, we have three options. And basically, you just need to select the multiple choice right there, or you can also select the check boxes. Now, once done, you just need to go to the three dots right there at the top right hand corner and basically click on this Get Add-ons button right here at the bottom. Now, you wanna go here on this page, as you can see right from here, Google Workspace Marketplace. So we're going to search for the payable forms. So we're able to create some payable forms on our Google form. Now I just want to click on this option. And here, as you can see, we need to install it. And we can add this to your Google form. As you can see, it works with the Google Sheet and also on Google Form. Now here, as you can see, you just need to choose an account where you want to install these add-ons. So basically here, you just need to allow all the access to your Google account. So click on this allow button right here. And then once installed, as you can see here, so asking you now to get started. So we're going to click on done. Now installing this on your Google Forms. So we're going to wait for a few seconds here. And once done, as you can see, welcome to Payable Forms. So as you can see, just need to click on this get started button. So we're going to starting to set or customize your settings. For example, here, if you want to change your default language, your home country, for example, if you want to change it into United States, and then also the currency, if you want to change your currency, for example, on US dollars. So right there. And then once you've done updating your user settings, you want to click on this looks good button right here. And then here, as you can see, when you actually click on this looks good, then you will now go to the next page. You can see you will find the format. So all you have to do is add Google form questions that contain money somewhere in your answer formatted like this. So first up, the description and a dash and the price. So basically, we use any text to the left of money as your line item label. So then automatically keep track of the payment status in the Google Sheet for you. So we're going to try this sample form. And as you can see, you'll find here the sample form. So basically, if you're going to, for example, we're going to fill up the forms here. So here on email, so we're going to add some email address. And then also here, we're going to select these extras. For example, the second one, and here I will choose advanced, and here I'll just choose morning class. And once you click on the submit button, you can see a link below. So we're going to click on the link, and then you'll find here syncing order. So the payable forms now analyzing your response and preparing checkout. So as you can see right here, once done, you'll find the receipts that they can see once they click on that submit form, or they want to buy something, or just choose any of the options right there. Then they will find the sample receipts right here. So we're going to use this one and we're going to try this to our sample form. So basically, we're going to close this one and then we're going to check auto configure form and sheet. And then here an option shows up. So you can see form setup complete. So here we'll find all the options or settings on your Google form. So basically, if we're going to click on see the connected Google Sheet, and then you will find here all the responses from your Google Chrome. So click on this one, see the connected Google Sheet, and it will open up your Google Sheet automatically. And here you'll find all the responses. So right from there. And then we're going to check this connect a payment provider. So right from here, as you can see, we're going to choose the payment provider. You can choose Square, Stripe, or PayPal Standard. So mine, I just need to click on this PayPal Standard. And yeah, basically I need to connect my PayPal to these payable forms. So click on connect PayPal Standard. And what you're going to do, you just need to log in here your account. So for example, this one. So we're going to click on next. And then once you click on next here, you're going to enter or log in your account. Right from here, so we're going to choose the password or enter the password. And once done, click login. Now here, as you can see, how will you use your account? So basically, I'll just choose primarily for personal use. So click next. Then here, allow the PayPal to connect your account with Payable. So agree and continue. And once done, as you can see, you just need to go back to Payable. Now, once you've done here, we're going to turn on this. And here, as you can see, the Payable account. So close this window. Now checking with payment providers. Now here on the right side of your screen, once you're done right here, we're going to turn on this, make this form payable right from here. And there, and basically here, just need to keep a testing mode. And then here, as you can see, the virtual assistant is now payable. So we're going to try this. Make sure to turn on this testing mode. So we're going to try your form now. So once you click on this button, as you can see, it will now preview your form. So we're going to try, and we're going to select this one and enter this email. And then I'm going to click on submit button. Now here on this page, as you can see, payment is required as the next step. We're going to click on that link. And now syncing order. So we're going to wait for a few seconds here. Once done analyzing your payment methods or payable form. And here, as you can see, this will be now your receipt once they click on that submit button. So there you go. You just have to get these add-ons to your Google form in order to create and add payment options on Google form. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.